Hey guys, Nina here, and it is currently 10:03 on Friday, August 24th, and I move in on Sunday to my dorm room. Essentially, tomorrow is going to be filled with lots of packing. I'm waking up at like 8 a.m. to get started, because at like 12:30 I have to leave and go to the store that my mom works at because I need to print out pictures to put up in my room. And then right after she gets out of work, we're gonna go shopping for last minute stuff that I need while I'm packing. So like stuff that I need for packing and everything. Just because, yeah. I guess right now I'm just finding it a lot more difficult to leave, like, and to grasp the idea of leaving than it was last year, because last year it was unknown, and, like, I thought that I was gonna make a lot of friends and, like, meet cute guys and what, but, like, I thought I was gonna make new friends and meet cute guys and stuff like that. And in actuality, I made a couple of friends. Turns out that majority of them were shit. But you know, that's okay. Fell in love, found out that was a terrible thing to do. Oops, not sorry. I mean, I don't regret it, but I regret how long I let it go on for and how, involved I let it get to be. I also learned that I don't like being away from my family a lot, and I haven't got to see my sister that much this summer, especially this month. She like kind of moved out and stuff. But yeah, so essentially tonight is just gonna be me doing random stuff. I have to make next month's printouts for my DIY binder planner, which I guess I could film some stuff of that for you, and just like make lots of lists, because I feel like that's the only way that I feel comfortable with things. And yeah, so I decided that this is going to be a two-parter compared to last year, where I just vlogged the move-in. I want to try to vlog the packing like the day before and then move-in day. And then I also would love to vlog the first day of classes and everything, just because I know I'm going to have a lot of free time because I don't have any friends. So why not give myself lots of editing to do, and the task of trying to find a way to convert these videos to my laptop. So yeah, fun! Okay, I'll see you guys tomorrow morning. Yo. So, it is actually, it is exactly 3:18. And I'm laying in bed. I'm having the worst time packing. I mean, it's a lot easier in certain ways because, like, everything is just, like, mostly packed from when I, like, moved out. It's just, like, clothes and, like, electronics and then last minute stuff that I have to, like, I got because of this or that. So I'm just so stressed. Like, I had the worst headache, so I decided I'm gonna sit up here in my room for a little bit. I'm gonna lay down and watch some YouTube, take a nap, until at least dinner. Just chill. And then afterwards, I've got to load up the car and finish packing. So, yeah. I will talk to you guys later. It is 7:30 on move-in day. I had a mental breakdown last night, and it was really bad because I'm really worried about going back, I guess, because I got really depressed last semester, and I don't want that to happen again. And if it comes down to it and it happens again, then I won't be going back after this semester. But I'm not gonna give up yet, I guess. Yeah. I should probably get coffee and start packing more the last little bits. So I'll see you guys later.
싫어 불러봐도 넌 아직 즐거워. 이제 남은 설탕도 없는데 이제 와서 널 남겨두고 떠나갈 순 없어. 떠나갈 밤이라면 먼저 보내주자. 어차피 떠날 밤이라면 넌 너무 내 마음에 너무 내 마음에 벌써 식으면 안 돼. 제발 가지마. 떠나지마. 너무 추워. 머물러줘. 따뜻하게 뜨겁지 않게 달달하진 않아도 꿋꿋하게 위태롭게 내 곁에 머물러줘. 지나가는 바람에겐 안녕. 넌 너무 내 마음에 너무 내 마음엔 And now it's enough to make us what we are, and just enough to show you all my mind. And now it's enough
So I am almost done unpacking right now. Was gonna like do it or film a lot more earlier, but I'm easily stressed. So yeah, I don't know anything about my roommate. She's new. Didn't cry when my mom left. And I just have a lot of meetings tonight, and then I'm gonna think my main goal is to like, the last thing I'm trying to put off is hanging up my clothes, but I think I'm at that point. I'm almost done. I have a printer on top of my dresser too, but yeah. So I don't know if I'm gonna do a first day of classes vlog 2 in this. Gonna do it though. Don't know when it's gonna come. But if it's like in this video, then I'll see you guys tomorrow. If not, then see you guys in my next video. I love you guys. Always remember to look on the bright side of things. Bye!